all, how are you? Hope you're all fine. Do you know the key ingredient for self-confidence? Appreciating ourselves. No matter big or small, do appreciate for all the things we do. We need not have to wait to accomplish bigger or difficult things, but appreciate ourselves for all the smallest or the simple things that we do. Like after making a cup of tea or coffee or something else which you think is very small or simple. Look at that, smile and say, see, I did a good job. It will make us happier and confident. Start with small things, eventually bigger things will follow. Do this at least once a day and see the difference. Let's keep our body and mind healthy. Welcome to the TheLemonGinger. Today's special is chocolate pudding. For all those chocolate lovers like me, this is for you. Not much work, very easy and simple. Try this out and let me know in the comment section. So let's start.